The design of all of our projects kind of comes from the community. We really don't come with any template pieces. We don't build any things ourselves or kind of come with any preconceived notion, except that we usually work on projects that are trying to get kids connected to nature.
All the way down to the bottom and then step around so it pulls it up. And if you can let go and it stays still, you did a really good job.
In this project we had a community workshop, which was families and kids. We built a lot of models and kind of talked to the kids about how they wanted to play and what they could do outside. Then we talked to teachers about how it could be used in the classroom for learning and how they could use it just not for physical play and getting kids outside, but how it could be connected to the garden learning that was already happening there and other things that are happening in the classrooms.
This playground was built by a community, and that's a community partnership between our school, our neighboring community, and the businesses around it, as well as some incredible nonprofits.
To see if these logs are big enough or if they're too small for our playground. 23 inches long.
As a society, we spend 90% of our time indoors these days, and I think more and more we get disconnected with the natural world. So to have kind of a natural wild place, you know, in literally the backyard of a community school, is pretty awesome. It's a huge asset.
Well, it's cool too because kids kind of get it, and you know, at the beginning they weren't quite sure what we were making, and then all of a sudden it starts to come together like, oh, this is a structure for us.
A lot of Sabin community parents that are talented and friends of, you know, the builders that got engaged, and it just, I think Sabin was really lucky just to have these many talented, you know, professionals that they're able to tap into.
What we've witnessed here in Sabin is a community coming together to really build something, and I want to encourage other people throughout the Portland area to do the same in any way that they can, whether that's donating money, lending a hand. Our schools need the support, and really wonderful things can happen when people step up and help out.
Because if you keep cutting down the trees, it's bad for the planet, because the more trees you cut down, the less oxygen there'll be, because we help the trees and the trees help us.